I mean, there's loads we could do with this, loads we could do. Check it, check it. Let's try the Waves 1 knob on that. Some filterage. And we didn't even compress up the aim-in yet, but even though the aim-in sounds compressed anyway. K-N-O-B. Let's go, let's go. Alright, one knob. Can't find nothing. Yeah, there you go. One knob filter. Let's see what's happening, So we bring out the one knob filter, right? Turn on my controller, right? Even though I've got mess on my keyboard, it's all over the place, who cares? Alright, let's go. Flavors for the ravers, right? So hopefully I should just be able to right click this and learn. No, I can't really learn. Sure, it's not that easy in Cubase, is it? Alright. Let me see what I've got here. MIDI learn, I want to learn. Remote control editor, switch to generic editor. Alright, anyway. So we can automate this later. MIDI learn, we want MIDI learn. Where's the MIDI learn, man? What's the matter with this? I'm going to find the MIDI learn and come back to you on that one. Let's go. I know how to do it. I could program it using the automation, but for now, let's just get the flavour. You know what, I'm going to do a little cheeky one on the end there. Cha. Alright, let's loop that round. Nice. Rolling, we're rolling. This is a dub plate, man. Dub plate business. Save that. Here we go. Brap. We ain't even got started yet. We're just rinsing. Cheese and squeeze, man. '19 remix, bro. Dub plate sessions. I'm definitely enjoying this out. Let me put on my bass here so I can hear what's going on the sub. We might need to just do a copy that layer and filter down the song and just turn the bass up. Loving it. Boy. Love this tune anyway. What a rhythm. Alright, let's put this on bar now because we're going to go around again. Shift key. Oh yeah, mate, this is that. The way that loops over is just disgusting. What's going on now? I could press Control K and copy it. Jeez, and bread. Let's see what that sounds like copying that over there. I don't exactly know what's going on there, man. More edits later. And I'm not going to rinse the whole thing, you know what I mean? I'm just going to take a little burst. Cheese and bread, chicken and rice, with all things nice. Let's go. Right, time to get some sound effects, man, after this. So I'm going to keep it simple for the time being, man. I'm edit up later. Let's go. Right, Control K, count 1. Boom, let me see what happens there. That should give me another loop. Fire, fire in the hole. Oh yeah, look, bass back. Fire, man, this is fire. Okay, time to get some Halley on. Cheese. Fire. Let me put a couple of filters in there real quick. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright, so let's put that on write and read at the same time. There we go. Right, there you go. That's it. That's it. It's simple as that. Look. Yeah. Old school soul. I'm coming with an old school soul lick now, man. All these tunes here, rhythms getting remixed. Yeah. I'm calling this Eastern Soul style. Eastern Soul style, yeah? Never mind about Northern style, they're Eastern style. Alright, let me fix out that loop there. Oh no, that was wrong, that was wrong. Alright, let me find where the loop is. I've got to check, have a little aim and edit for each bit. Yeah, that's what we want. So we got to come back to this section now. That's the edit. That's the edit right there. That's like the verse piece or whatever you want to call it, or chorus piece or whatever. So from there to there, let's see. This we got. We want to color all this piece in now. Let's go, and boom, up to 9. So let's just get some colors going here now. Where's my color tool? I ain't got my color tool. There you go, color tool. That's glue. What kind of thing? Alright. Whoa, man. This is a favourite tune of mine anyway. So with a beat on it, I'm even more happy. So let's call that the green. The CBD green. Fire. Jeez. We're rolling. There you go, right, back to the green, yeah, back to the green. And then we have to name up colour up some of these other bits. Okay, here we go. Bridge. I'm a everyday junglist.